Guys, we have won the semi-finals against Tottenham of Carabao Cup, and now we are going to go play in the finals of Carabao Cup against Newcastle United. This is such an exciting stuff. ठीक है, अपना पहली बार नहीं है कि हम लोग Carabao Cup के finals में जा रहे हैं, जीत रहे हैं. We are the most successful team in Carabao Cup. So of course it's very exciting to be in one as well. लेकिन first leg में Tottenham के against हमने एक गोल concede कर लिया था, तो of course पूरा एक नज़रें थी सेकेंड लेग पे, बट ऐसा नहीं था कि एनीबडी वाज लूजिंग देयर स्लीप ओवर इट. आई थिंक दैट वी वर क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट एज फैंस ऑल्सो. आई थिंक वी वर क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट and we knew that we could.
One goal deficit was not that big of a deal.
And that's what Anfield.
The way we considered that goal also. It was not like Tottenham were a far superior team than us. So obviously at Anfield it was always going to be a very tough fixture for them. And
Exactly.
वही हुआ, मतलब we were very much superior to them at every aspect of the game. They did not have a single shot on target for the entire 90 minutes.
That says a lot.
That says a lot.
Because in a way that Tottenham is a big six club, or it's supposed to be one, but I think that we showed a very like bold
Dominant,
performance.
very dominant
very
performance.
good. And I think
Plus,
कहीं ना
मतलब
कहीं
the excitement of it is not just that it's a Carabao Cup, तो उस वजह से थोड़ा downplay करे, but to reach the final of a major cup at your
पहले
first season in a big club, that too with the kind of experience that he has. He's not that experienced of a manager.
Exactly.
But he did that. He reached the final. That is a huge deal, and we should be making a lot of noise about it.
Exactly. No, I'm very surprised with the one fact that Arne Slot said in his press conference as well that that he has seen very good nights at Anfield, the atmosphere that Liverpool fans create at Anfield, which is very good. Lekin in a night like this, in which we were trailing by one goal and we have to show dominant performance, because I think that he's going all out. If you see the lineup and everything, I think Arne Slot really is ambitious now and wants to win whatever he can get.
Specifically because it's his first season, na?
Yeah.
He does not have the luxury of underplaying any trophy.
Exactly.
It's his first season. It would be a statement win. कि अगर तुम पहले ही, how many managers has done that? I do not know the data, but how many managers have actually came in and won that trophy at their first season?
But then we were having the discussion and you told me that अरे Carabao Cup से out हो जाए वो ज़्यादा better है, एक match कम खेलना पड़ेगा. But I was not being very supportive of that.
We as fans, we may have that kind of a preference कि हमको Premier League दूसरी बार जीतना है.
Yeah.
Like,
but that is fine, but कहीं ना कहीं एक अगर तुम आर्ने स्लॉट के हिसाब से देखोगे,
obviously नहीं, आर्ने स्लॉट के हिसाब से तो वो होना जरूरी है कि मतलब he cannot underplay, he does not have that luxury, but we can have that debate only because Klopp brought us here.
Exactly.
Klopp brought us here, जिस वजह से हम लोग at least preferences डिमांड कर सकते हैं कि नहीं हमको ये नहीं जीतना, हमको वो जीतना है.
And the good thing is the best thing that you could see in the team also yesterday, देखो जेल अपना टीम बहुत अच्छा करता है, and this is what has happened since Klopp has come to the club, that all the players they feel like a family. Like I feel that I know them. जैसे personally कोई एक attachment है उनके साथ, उनका अपना bond भी सबका वैसा है, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं एक बहुत additional factor आ जाता है when we need good wins in matches like these. I'm not saying this was a very important match or very tough match to beat, but still going into a match like this was not going to be easy when you have to chase the game from the start. So that was very good. I think the way our players played yesterday, it shows that what quality we have in the team right now. The major factor right now that I want to talk about is the injuries, or maybe all the availability of all the players. That is very important, because now सिर्फ Trent का था जो कि he was back in training, so I think that's a very important thing to consider right now.
I think there was this stat like we at this point of last year उसके comparison में we have played one extra game, but we do not have any serious injury अभी तक. हाँ, obviously touch wood, we should seriously touch wood, but more than luck I would say कि it's a huge improvement by the medical department, by Ruben Peters,
सही में,
that we are actually able to play all of our players, our strongest 11 week in week out, and they are not showing any signs of
Van Dijk
slowing down.
देखो, exactly. Everyone has put up so many performances and played so many minutes. I think it has been possible because something at the back is actually happening very good.
हाँ, because Ruben Peters का ये भी मैंने सुना हुआ है कि मतलब his training sessions are very different from what Klopp and Linders used to employ. We now have longer training days.
Yeah.
It's like कि पूरे दिन training चलेगा, but they are very light मतलब सेशंस. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाई
Intense
इंटेंसिटी,
training,
हाँ
exactly.
इंटेंस ट्रेनिंग्स उतने नहीं हो रहे, लाइट ट्रेनिंग्स हो रहे हैं, लेकिन द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग्स आर काफ़ी ज़्यादा.
बट आई थिंक वही तो फैक्टर्स हैं जो सारे हमको मैच में देखने को मिलते हैं, यू नो. तो जो पहला गैकपो का गोल हुआ, जो साला का पास, सबसे पहले भी अपने सोबोस्लाई ने भी गोल कर दिया था, चलो ऑफ साइड रहा, दैट्स अनदर इशू, बट दैट्स नॉट एन इशू, आई मीन टू से. बट देन दैट गैकपो गोल एंड दैट गैकपो डोमिनेंट परफॉर्मेंस एट एनफील्ड, आई एम सीरियसली लविंग इट. दैट
We are only mid-February and he has already equaled his goal tally from last season.
seriously, like Gakpo seems so confident now, and I can see the quality in him. Like in tough situations, rely on Gakpo because he can get us goals from places where it like पहला गोल जिसने भी देखा होगा लगेगा कि भाई बहुत सिंपल है, बस ऐसे करके मारना ही है, डायरेक्ट उसके पास आके जब गया है बॉल. बट it was not that easy at all. I think the brilliance of that,
That finish,
yeah,
it was not at all a good finish. It was deceptively easy. It looked deceptively easy, but it was not that easy a finish.
exactly.
Like it can only be done by someone who has actually repeated that same finish or actually practiced on his finishing for a long period of time. And Gakpo actually doing that, because I do not even expect, other than Salah, maybe none of our attackers actually get that goal and have that finish other than Gakpo जो उसने
Exactly.
किया कल.
एग्जैक्टली, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट. एंड ऑल्सो एक उस गोल के बाद फर्स्ट हाफ में हमने इक्वलाइज ऑलरेडी कर दिया था, तो सेकेंड हाफ में बस वही था, डू और डाई सिचुएशन, दैट यू नो जस्ट गो ऑल आउट. बट मोर देन दैट आई थिंक प्लेयर्स ऑल्सो गॉट वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज व्हेन दे सॉ टॉटनम प्ले, आई थिंक वी completely outplayed them in every corner of the game, which was brilliant of us, you know. Then the second goal, जो पेनल्टी नूनियस ने दिलवाया, साला ने क्या पेनल्टी लिया, लाइक
Nunez का बहुत ही ज़्यादा, मतलब he has grown a lot.
सही में.
He has grown a lot personality
Not as a
wise,
striker.
and
I'll not
I
say
will
as a
say,
striker,
obviously,
exactly, but
he still has a lot of improvement to be done in that department. But
yeah,
other than that, his all-round
He's
play,
involved-
his understanding, his work ethic.
his involvement in the game, like he involves himself. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर वो स्ट्राइकर है, वो आगे खड़ा है, तुम उसको अगर बना के नहीं दे पा रहे हो तो वो कुछ नहीं करेगा, तुमको विजिबल नहीं होगा गेम में, वो बिल्कुल नहीं. आई थिंक दिस इज अ डिस्कशन वी वर हैविंग अबाउट हालैंड ऑल्सो, दैट व्हेन वी वर वाचिंग मैन सिटी वर्सेस आर्सेनल, सो व्हाट they were playing with 10 men, Man City, because Haaland ka positioning is such that if you actually make good balls for him, only then he'll be involved, and he's lethal in front of the net, no doubt about that, but you need to really create that for him for that to happen. But यू नो अदरवाइज उसका कोई भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट आपको नहीं दिखेगा गेम में, कुछ भी और चीज़ में हेल्प आउट करने के लिए, चाहे बॉल कैरी ही करके आगे लेके जाना हो, यू डोंट सी दैट. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू डार्विन नूनियस, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट ही इज़ अ बेटर प्लेयर देन हालैंड, नहीं, एज अ स्ट्राइकर हालैंड इज़ मच बेटर देन नूनियस. बट नूनियस का जो खुद को इन्वॉल्वमेंट करता है ना वो गेम में, जिस तरीके से वो डिफेंडर भी बन जाएगा, वो मिडफील्ड से बॉल कैरी भी करेगा, वो प्रेस भी करेगा, उसके बाद वो उनका गेम प्ले ब्रेक भी करेगा, ट्रांजिशन में वो बहुत अच्छा मतलब रहता है नूनियस. आई थिंक दिस इज something that we really need to consider, that this was one of his best performances in the red shirt, and I'm so happy to see that, you know, Nunez being so good, because we know that his heart is at the right place, but वही जो output नहीं आ रहा था उसकी वजह से we were being a bit or maybe काफ़ी ज़्यादा skeptical about it.
या जैसे कि अगर क्लॉप वाला सिचुएशन अभी भी चल रहा होता, then Nunez could have been used very well as a backup for Fabinho. Like a proper destroyer type का हम लोग उसको यूज कर सकते थे. Like उसका पूरा जोएलिंटन आर्क जो आया है नूनियस का, like फॉरवर्ड से लेके मिडफील्ड ब्रेकर तक का जो वो कर रहा है नूनियस, मतलब it's
really
commendable
necessary,
because he's
exactly.
actually, he wants, his heart is in the right place, he has that much energy, he wants to influence the game.
Yeah.
तो अगर उसे गोल नहीं हो रहा है, it's not like he's just disappointed, he's just laid back and he's trying to find plays. वो नहीं है, मतलब he will try to help out in any situation that he can.
खुद को इन्वॉल्व करेगा, जैसे मर्जी करे, वो खुद को इन्वॉल्व करता है, वो दिखता है यार बंदे में, विच इज़ वाई वो काफ़ी सिचुएशंस में हमको हेल्प कर देता है. बहुत अच्छा पेनल्टी हमको मिला, एंड देन इट वाज साला हु कन्वर्टेड इट लाइक अ बीस्ट. आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट वाज
वो भाई one of the most unsavable penalties I have ever seen. Like
so good.
I cannot imagine any goalkeeper on the face of this planet who can actually save that penalty.
But
it was
then
that good.
the confidence of Mohamed Salah scoring such a penalty, because we had to equalize,
It's
तो हो
now
गया था, but
repetition for him. It's like normal work for him.
it's like people are still getting surprised for the things that he can do even now at 32, but I think there is no such surprise for us as Liverpool fans that what he has done for us. It's amazing, brilliant. पतंग है ना.
Also, talking about work ethic, obviously we should talk about Conor Bradley. what a game he had, like seriously अभी के टाइम पे अगर हम बोले कि if Trent does not renew, it would be a big loss for the club, obviously, if Trent does not renew, but if
what
Trent
a
does
right
not
back we have
renew,
in
we
corner.
just need to shell out some money
सही
for an
में।
already experienced right back जिसके साथ Bradley rotate कर पाए, because give that guy 2 or 3 years more and he will be an extraordinary right back.
भाई क्या डिफेंड करता है बंदा,
And
मतलब
he just does not stop running. He's aggressive. He makes those tackles. He runs forward.
my
he runs back.
favorite goal of the game, goal of the हम ठीक ही बोल रही हूँ मैं। my favorite goal was जो सोबोस्लाई ने किया, क्या लिंक अप किया था, और उस टाइम पे कॉनर ब्रैडली का पोजीशन देखो, जिस तरीके से उसने वो वन टच पास किया है, what an assist for Soboslai and what a finish from Soboslai.
Like Conor Bradley, seriously, like he reminds me of a younger Andy Robertson, but at right wing, right
Yeah.
back position.
Andy was like that, exactly.
हाँ.
He would.
But he's even more technically proficient than
Yeah.
Robertson
Yeah,
was
yeah,
at
yeah.
that age.
Yeah. So no, Conor Bradley had an amazing game. Son का वो tackle याद है? Son का, and then reminded me of such bold tackles and the confidence that he has to do it. Like उसने against Mbappe जब किया था, तब ऐसा लगा कि शायद pressure में खेल रहा है, but नहीं, this is his thing. He will make such tackles because he's so confident
And
that
it's not dangerous tackles at all. He
Yeah.
actually gets the ball.
He always
and
gets the
catches
ball.
the player at the follow through. मतलब seriously,
Yeah.
he times his tackles really well. Even though
Seriously.
it looks very heavy,
Yeah.
a heavy tackle on the surface, it may be a heavy tackle, but he gets the ball first every single time.
Then the best player or the best centre back that Premier League could have ever had, or you know, football could ever had, I think it's Virgil van Dijk, and he gets the goal. Corner से गोल मिला अपने को, like goal that he scored. Virgil van Dijk, amazing. I'm so happy
He
with
deserves, obviously that goal उतना, मतलब McAllister का corner बहुत अच्छा था. We are very
Yeah,
bad
yeah,
at
yeah.
taking corners. McAllister
Yeah.
taking the, just floating it in into the penalty box. We should do it more times, because in Konate and Virgil van Dijk we have actually good
लंबे players हैं यार,
set
उनको
piece
utilize
threats.
करो.
उनको करना पड़ेगा. तो McAllister का वो corner लेना, that was a really nice. But overall defensively, जैसे जेमी कैरेगर का बोल भी रहा था, like Virgil van Dijk के लिए अभी
अलग
this
league,
हाँ अलग लेवल चाहिए. मतलब this level of football, it's getting very easy for Virgil van Dijk.
Yeah.
He needs an even superior level of football to actually be tested.
And honestly, like, just imagine the ACL injury that he had, you know, in that Everton match, that idiot Pickford who did that. After that, many people thought that it's over for Van Dijk, and कहीं ना कहीं उसको वापस आके बहुत जजमेंटल लोग हुए हैं उस चीज़ को लेके कि नहीं यार वो वाला है नहीं अभी वैन डाइक में, लेकिन अपने आप को वापस उसी लेवल पे लेके आना, एंड you know,
उसने
ending
अपना
all the
gameplay
debates
change भी
about
किया
it.
है ना, मतलब he, since the ACL injury he has had to get even more mentally present in the game to try and
Yeah.
read कि कहाँ से threat आ सकता है, and
Very
be there
intelligent
पहले
player,
से ही
yeah.
to snuff out those threat lines या तो passing lines, वो पहले से ही उसको read करना बहुत ज़रूरी पड़ रहा है, because he is not he may have lost a bit of pace since before his ACL injury. Another thing that I have noticed that is really good about good भी क्या बोलूँ, that is an improvement, like he has switched it up a bit with his aggressiveness. I can actually see him defending the lines. He's not like कि बस read कर रहा है. अभी के टाइम पे मतलब last 2-3 मैचेस में मैं देख रहा हूँ, like he is actually trying to actively tackle players.
Yeah,
जैसे
yeah,
हम
yeah.
लोगों का लास्ट के 2-3 साल में एक मतलब पोस्ट ACL जो हमारा एक कंप्लेंट रहा है कि समटाइम्स ही फील्स टू नॉनशलेंट,
कि हाँ मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा लेट बैक हो जाता है.
हाँ कि मतलब हाँ निकल गया तो अभी निकल गया, अभी और
हाँ,
मतलब वो
हाँ,
नहीं
हाँ,
कर सकते
exactly.
एक मतलब जो लास्ट डिच
हाँ,
डिफेंडिंग.
हाँ.
लेकिन इस बार इस सीजन वर्जिल ने वो चीज़ जो पिकअप किया है,
सही में so good, like Konate and Virgil van Dijk.
and that can only happen because now he is finally confident that he is back at his
yeah
best.
prime
He is at his 100%
prime Van
form.
Dijk. Look, even Konate, for that sake, you know, he's so young, Konate, but he is playing with the best. I think he has adapted so many of Van Dijk's qualities, and you know, in addition to the qualities that he already has, he is so damn good. I think if you have to pair somebody with Virgil van Dijk, it has to be Konate. What a pairing that is. I'm amazed by the quality that we have in players, and I hope that this continues because we have a long season to go ahead. Even now, there is so
कुछ भी हो
much to
सकता
win
है.
and so much to
There
lose.
is still an option that we may not win anything.
At all, because Newcastle United not going to be easy at all.
Not gonna be easy because one game जहाँ पे मैंने देखा हुआ है कि both Virgil and Konate were मतलब
Yeah.
Isaac was actually running circles around them.
Yeah.
है ना,
Isaac
मतलब
is crazy good man.
आइजैक है कि इजैक है, आई डू नॉट नो.
Alexander Isaac, I think Isaac ही है.
इजैक जो भी है.
Isaac जो भी, तुम तो समझ ही गए हो कि किसके बारे में बात करें. न्यूकासल के बारे में बात करो और इस प्लेयर के बारे में नहीं मालूम
नेक्स्ट मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग स्ट्राइकर.
so good, so damn good भाई. तो मतलब yeah, I'm actually quite excited to see what will happen in the match because we have to be confident in our players as well to see how we perform against
because
a
they link
good
up very
team.
well.
Yeah.
कि तुम
And they have many goal scorers, you know.
हाँ exactly, इजैक से तुम अगर बच गए तो there
Yeah.
is Gordon coming in, there is Jacob Murphy coming in,
Murphy,
मतलब
yeah.
there are a lot of goal scorers.
Very like बहुत dangerous threats हैं
So
उनके
you'll have
team
to
में
be
तो.
switched on.
Yeah.
And Newcastle के लिए ये win would matter much more than Liverpool. So obviously they are going to try and bring their A game. So let's see. It's going
Even
to be
we
a
will
very
bring our
tough.
A game.
We will. लेकिन हमारे पास वो भी है ना कि मतलब काफी सारे एडिशनल चीजें भी है
Yeah.
सोचने को. उनके
Yeah,
पास
yeah.
वो नहीं है. वो अगर कैराबाओ कप जीत ले, it would be a
Huge thing for them.
statement
Exactly.
from the club.
No, but then वही होता है ऐसे मैचेस जब रात को हम देखते हैं लाइक इतना लेट तो उस टाइम पे ऐसे परफॉर्मेंसेस जब प्लेयर्स देते हैं ना तो सही में इतना
Worth
अच्छा
it.
फील होता है कि मतलब घर वाले बोलते हैं कि क्यों उठ रहे हो 4 बजे तक यार. और बाय द वे गाइस, तुमको लोकेशन थोड़ा वो लगेगा. सो वी आर इन पंजाब राइट नाउ, माय होम टाउन. तो यहाँ पे इतना लाइक ठंड है. कोलकाता का कोई कुछ ठंड नहीं होता, तो यहाँ पे उसकी कंपैरेटिवली काफ़ी ठंड है. तो कल जब हम लोग बैठे ना कि ठीक है देखेंगे 1:30 मैच है, तो सिंस कल ही हम ट्रैवल करके आए थे तो वी वर टायर्ड एज वेल. बट इतने ठंड में वहाँ बैठ के हम घर वाले बोल रहे कि क्यों भाई सो जाओ, मैच में क्या है रखा. हमको भी लगा स्टार्टिंग में सो जाते हैं यार, क्या थोड़ा बोरिंग ही रहने वाला. आई डोंट थिंक कि हाई स्कोरिंग रहेगा. बट देन द परफॉर्मेंस दैट द बॉयज पुट अप, इट्स always worth it. nahi, it's like we can do it again and again and again to support the team, to support the club. It's beautiful. I think this is the love we have for the sport, right? यहाँ पे पतंग लटक रहा है. I don't know आवाज़ आ रही होगी कि नहीं, छोड़ो. Yeah, so that is the video guys. There are so many contenders for man of the match, but honestly इस बंदे को मैंने कभी दिया नहीं, तो मैं ये man of the match देना चाहूँगी Darwin Nunez को, because I loved his performance. I think Curtis Jones was also very good. It's like we have not spoken about him.
yeah.
Virgil is always going to be good. You know, it's like he's always going to be very good.
Bradley.
Salah, Bradley, yeah, like and Robertson has improved his game a lot in the past
Robertson
two
has
matches
actually
I've seen
improved his
that,
game a lot.
which is so good, and I'm so happy to
मतलब
see
finally
that.
like he was such a Klopp player. मतलब
Yeah.
Klopp ने उसको इतना
Yeah,
ज़्यादा
yeah, yeah.
मोल्ड किया हुआ था. Like it actually took time for him to actually pace
Yeah,
it down.
yeah.
To bring the tempo down of the football in his own mind. कि वो एक बार वो थोड़ा अपना नीचे लेके आया ना अपने कि it does not
He
have
just-
to be 100 miles per hour
Exactly.
from the first minute itself.
Yeah.
You have to choose your time under slot.
एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन से टैकल्स
हाँ.
करने हैं, कहाँ करने हैं, पोजीशनिंग कहाँ होनी चाहिए. आई थिंक रॉबर्टसन हैज
Once he
नेल्ड
does
दैट
that,
नाउ.
then obviously there is a lot of games.
या
yet to come
ऐसा नहीं है
from
कि
Robertson.
इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन आई एम सो हैप्पी विद द चेंजेस दैट ही हैज मेड. आई थिंक इट्स लाइक इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड एफर्ट फ्रॉम वन टू एक्चुअली मेक दोज चेंजेस, एंड ही डिड दैट. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. द कंटेंडर्स फॉर मैन ऑफ द मैच कैन बी द होल टीम, कैन बी Arne Slot as well for the performances that he has made our players put up. So it's amazing. But I just want to mention Darwin Nunez because I did not really expect to see him in the team. अभी अगर बहुत सारा पैसे से सऊदी अरेबिया का जो ऑफर बोल रहे थे आ रहा है जनवरी में, आई वुड हैव बीन लाइक बहुत पैसे था, हाँ दे दो यार कोई नहीं तो क्या है. बट नाउ इट फील्स लाइक नहीं, एवरीबडी हैज़ देयर पोजीशन, एवरीबडी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द पजल, एंड Nunez is an important part of it. Can't just let him go like that. He still has unfinished business left at the club, and we need to see more of that. So who would be your man of the match?
Virgil van Dijk.
Oh, you said that, right? So
Virgil.
yeah, guys, please don't forget to comment down below who would be your man of the match and how did you like the performance. I hope you liked the video. तो लोकेशन चेंज एंड ये सब में हमको तो बड़ा मज़ा आया करके, नहीं तो बहुत खुला खुला लग रहा है. सो इट फील्स गुड. या सो दैट इज़ इट. प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, शेयर and like this video and support the channel. Would really love that. Thank you for showing all the love that you have to IndyCorp. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.